A week or two ago, I was thrifting with one of my friends, just looking for some clothes, and I found this, a old knife that is in rather terrible disrepair. I can't tell if it's in disrepair because of the use of it, or just because of the poor manufacturing of it. The handle scales are completely uneven, the blade is all dirty and scuffed up. It's all just, in general, not a very usable knife. And naturally, when I saw this knife, I took it as a challenge. So, I'm gonna revamp the handle and the scales, I'm gonna hand sand, I'm gonna make it all polished up, make it really nice, and make it, frankly, the fanciest thrift store steak knife you've ever heard of. So let's get the handle scales off this thing, and we can start rebuffing and refinishing this knife. And just like that, this thing is all finished up. I decided to go with a burnt handle finish because the woods were actually slightly different in coloration, and that is honestly just the best way to mask it up. Though the coffee edge did help embolden the grain a bit, you can definitely see it a lot more clearly than with most woods because of it. Between the hand sanding finish and just generally making the handle slimmer and more comfortable for the hand, this was a very fun project. So if you guys enjoyed, please do remember to like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. Helps me out a lot and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you guys in next week's video.